Homeland Security, the flagship division of Homeland Group, has been conferred with Best Man Guarding Company of the Year Northeast Award 2025 during the 20th Security Leadership Summit that was held on November 15-16 at IIT Madras, Chennai. The award was formally received by Director of Homeland Group Rajkumar Bablu Singh and was presented by Minister of Labour, Welfare and Skill Development, Government of Tamil Nadu, C.V. Ganeshan. The award acknowledged Homeland Security's role in empowering local youth through skill development, providing meaningful employment and contributing to national security readiness.